Are you worried about losing thousands of dollars to taxes when converting to a Roth IRA? Picture this. You've worked hard, saved diligently, and are ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor, then boom, an unexpected tax bill eats into your retirement savings. That's pretty scary, isn't it? Here's the good news. You don't have to let taxes take a huge bite out of your hard-earned money. With the right strategies in place, you can minimize those taxes and keep more of your savings growing tax-free in retirement. In today's video, I'll walk you through smart, actionable steps to navigate Roth conversion taxes, avoid costly mistakes, and create a rock-solid plan for a financially stable retirement. Before we dive in, I've got a free step-by-step guide waiting for you in the description below. It's designed to complement this video and help you optimize your Roth IRA conversions so you can minimize taxes and keep more money working for you. Now let's start with the fundamentals, because understanding how Roth IRAs work is the foundation of a successful tax strategy. We'll cover how contributions and withdrawals are treated, plus why the IRS views all Roth accounts as one unified pot. These insights are key to planning conversions strategically and avoiding unnecessary penalties. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about the basics of Roth IRAs, because understanding these rules is the first step to making the most of this powerful retirement tool. First, remember that contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars. The big benefit, qualified withdrawals in retirement are entirely tax-free. That's why so many people love Roth IRAs. They're a great way to grow your money without Uncle Sam taking a big cut later on. Now here's where it gets a little tricky, the withdrawal rules. You can always pull out your contributions penalty-free, did you know that? But earnings are another story. To access those earnings, you need to meet two requirements. The account, or any Roth account for that matter, must be at least 5 years old. And you need to be 59.5 years old. Otherwise, you could face taxes and penalties. Another key detail, the IRS treats all of your Roth IRAs as one big pot. This means strategic planning is essential, especially if you've got multiple Roth accounts. And don't forget about the priority of withdrawals when it comes to Roth IRAs. When you take a distribution, contributions always come out first, then converted amounts, and then finally earnings. These rules can get complicated, especially after you've done some Roth conversions already. But here's the real question. How can you maximize Roth IRA benefits while steering clear of those costly mistakes? The key lies in smart conversion planning, which is keeping your tax bracket in mind to minimize your tax hit. When it comes to Roth conversions, timing and tax planning is everything. One of the smartest things you can do is to plan your conversions with your tax bracket in mind. So let's break it down a little further. Start by converting amounts that fill up your current tax bracket without pushing you into the next higher one. For example, if you're in the 12% bracket, consider how much room you have before hitting the 22% bracket and only convert up to that limit. This keeps your tax bill a little bit more manageable while moving money into a Roth at favorable rates. This strategy is called tax arbitrage, paying taxes now at lower rates to avoid higher taxes later on. If you expect tax rates to rise or your income to increase in retirement, converting strategically today can save you a lot in the long run. But be careful. Conversions can trigger stealth taxes like Medicare IRMA surcharges or make more of your Social Security income taxable. These hidden costs can offset the benefits if you're not careful. To avoid these surprises, keep an eye on Medicare IRMA thresholds and plan phased conversions over 4 to 10 years to spread the tax burden, prevent tax bracket creep, and keep you below these costly thresholds. But the biggest challenge isn't in choosing a tax bracket necessarily, it's about timing the conversions to leverage your low income years and potential market opportunities. So in the next step, I'll show you how to align your strategy with key moments to maximize tax-free growth. With smart timing, you can minimize taxes and maximize the growth potential of your retirement savings. Start by focusing on low-income years, if you have them, like early retirement or during a temporary income drop. These windows of opportunity are perfect for converting larger amounts at lower tax rates, keeping more of your money working for you in the long run. Next, prioritize converting high growth or undervalued assets. Think about it. If you have investments expected to grow significantly, moving them into a Roth now allows all that future growth to happen tax-free. It's a smart way to boost your retirement wealth without giving Uncle Sam a bigger slice of it. If you're doing a backdoor Roth IRA, be sure to watch out for the pro rata rule. The pro rata rule requires you to calculate taxes based on the ratio of non-deductible to total IRA balances, which can complicate things immensely. Planning ahead and minimizing traditional IRA balances before converting can help you avoid a surprise tax bill. Now, here's another key question. How do you cover the taxes on your conversions without hindering your retirement growth? The payment strategy you choose can make all the difference, so that's exactly what we'll cover in the next step. Paying taxes on a Roth IRA conversion is a crucial part of that strategy, and how you pay them can significantly impact your retirement success. So let's break it all down. The best approach is to use non-IRA funds, like a savings or a taxable account, to pay for those taxes. This keeps the full converted amount intact, allowing it to grow tax-free within your Roth IRA. Think about it this way. Every dollar you leave in the Roth has the potential to compound tax-free for years and years. Consequently, you should avoid withholding taxes directly from your IRA. While it seems convenient to do it that way, it reduces the amount converted and limits the long-term growth of your Roth. It defeats the purpose of what you're doing. So keeping as much as possible in that account ensures you maximize the benefits of that conversion. Here's another advanced tip. If charitable giving is part of your financial plan, use qualified charitable distributions, or QCDs, to reduce your required minimum distributions. By lowering your required minimum distributions, you can free up more room for Roth conversions without triggering higher tax brackets. It's a win-win for your legacy goals and for your tax strategy. Here's a million-dollar question. After figuring out how to pay taxes efficiently, which assets should you convert for maximum growth? The right choice can supercharge your tax-free gains, while the wrong ones might leave money on the table. So let's explore strategic asset selection to maximize your benefits in the last section. When it comes to Roth IRA conversions, choosing the right assets is just as important as timing and tax planning. I would recommend starting by focusing on assets with the highest growth potential. These are investments you expect to appreciate significantly over time, like stocks in growth sectors or undervalued positions. By converting these into a Roth, all of that future growth happens tax-free, which is a huge advantage for you. Next up, consider converting assets that are currently depreciated but likely to rebound in value. For example, if the market is taking a significant dip, converting while values are low locks in a lower tax bill. When the assets recover inside of the Roth, you reap that tax-free growth without paying extra taxes up front. It's also crucial to maintain balance in your overall portfolio. While converting growth-oriented or undervalued assets makes sense, it shouldn't come at the expense of your risk tolerance or your long-term financial goals. A well-diversified portfolio remains the priority to your retirement success. By being strategic about which assets you convert to a Roth, you can maximize the benefits of your Roth IRA and keep your retirement plan on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, actionable financial tips to help you navigate your retirement planning with confidence. And be sure to download my free Roth conversion tax strategy checklist. It's linked in the description below. This checklist will help you stay on track with all the key strategies we covered today. And remember, every financial situation is unique, including yours. If you have specific questions, drop them in the comments below or click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. I'd be happy to help you create a customized plan that works for your financial goals. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.